Alright, this is Gus' car. That's Lotus EVs. And he took it apart. So this is his old engine and this is the new one. So he's gonna put a new one into here. And this is transmission, right?
Yep.
And this transmission will be attached to this part of the new engine.
Yep.
Okay. So, yeah, this is his car right now. It doesn't even look like a car at all. And look at those wires, those tubes. It's like guts being pulling out,
Yep.
right?
Okay.
And it took him about like 20 hours.
Something like that.
Yeah, to take apart, and probably more than 20 hours to put it back, right?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, and you know how to do this based on like knowledge, your past knowledge, and also you need to base on a manual. You have to rely on a manual,
Big man.
right? Yeah, very very big, thick manuals, like dictionary, like a phone book thick manual. Yeah. So, yep. So yeah, so this is how this car look like now. So I guess I'll do another video when he put back his car. Okay. So, yep. Let me just go around. What's this on the floor?
Oh, that's the rear suspension.
Okay.
The green thing is the drive axle that plugs into the side of the transmission and then turns the wheel. Careful.
Hey, no problem at all.
Be very careful not to fall against the car because some parts are in a fragile state, and if you break the bodywork, it's going to be extremely expensive.
Really, 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 it's a mess right now.
Yep.
And what made you think you have confidence to take it apart and then put it back? Because a lot of people, right, they don't want to like take their car apart like this, right? Especially when a car that's working and there's nothing wrong with it.
I've been working on this car for 10 years. I know, I know it pretty well now. So, go a little further.
Okay, all right. So much for that. I'm gonna end it here.